have a name for my channel yet. If you have any ideas, you can tell me. We are going to be cooking from the Little House Cookbook by Barbara M. Walker, and we're going to be cooking fried apples and onions. Let's get started. So the recipe calls for 6 apples, 6 onions, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar or brown sugar, and 1/2 pound of bacon. I'm going to get these things ready with some help from my dad, and we'll be right back. By the way, this is what the apples look like after we've cored them, and then we slice them like this. Like, oh! Oopsie. Okay, now we're gonna slice these buddies. Should I? We're ready. I'm going to show you our ingredients. Right here, I have 1/2 pound bacon. I love bacon. Coconut sugar.
2 tablespoons.
Apples.
6.
And core. And then I've got some onions. I love cooked onions. Let's go to the stove. Okay, I've got a hot skillet here, and I'm just going to fry up this bacon. And this will just take a couple minutes. Here's our bacon, and I've got about a tablespoon of the grease from the bacon in here, and I'm going to cook the onions in it now. Okay. Bacon. Can I try a piece of bacon? I'm going to pour these in. Yeah, can I try a piece of bacon? I'm going to cook these over medium heat for 3 minutes, and then we're going to add the apples. It's been a few minutes, and we're going to want to put the apples on in an even layer. I'm going to have my brother Eli sprinkle the sugar on, and then we'll put aluminum foil or a lid on. We don't have a lid for this pan, so we're using aluminum foil. And then, I'm scared of the stove. I got it. Nope. Okay. Big. I got it. Drop it. And then the recipe says cook until tender. It took us a little while for these to get tender, so I'm just going to scoop some of these out onto this plate. Hot. This is definitely hot. Oh no. Oh, dang. Got these fried apples and onions, and I think it's kind of weird that they did not add any salt, but I guess it's just the salt from the bacon that's supposed to be enough salt, so let's eat this. Okay, this is probably hot. 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 Good. Definitely good. Do a bite with some bacon. Good. I don't know if when I'm going to make another video or something, or do something from that Laura Ingalls cookbook. If you liked this, you can pay close attention and tell your friends, your mom, your grandma, your boyfriend. Bye.